To assemble your IsoTrack platform base, locate and verify the following parts. 1 pole base sleeve assembly, 4 platform legs with 8 bolts and nuts, 1 main tube end cap with 2 bolts and nuts, platform channel cover plate, left and right platform, 2 platform skirting cover plates, 1 hex bolt, along with the provided combination wrenches and a cloth to protect surfaces during installation. Assemble on a hard, flat surface. Start by securing the end cap to the main tubes and inserting the bolts through the holes and finger tighten the nuts. Insert each of the 4 platform legs and attach loosely using the 8 bolts and nuts. Tighten all bolts securely using combination wrenches or socket sets. Then level all 4 legs using adjustable feet. Using an elevated and protected work surface, lay down the pole. Pull the cardboard tube partially out of the horizontal rail assembly, but not completely. Provide counterpressure against the pole as you slide the horizontal rail assembly onto the pole. Insert the counterweight into the upper pole end with eyelet facing upward. Attach cable with carabiner to eyelet, and then thread the other end through the pole cap assembly. Pull slack cable through as you insert the pole cap assembly into the pole. Using the provided screw, securely attach the other end of the cable to the horizontal rail assembly using the pre-drilled hole and number 2 Phillips screwdriver. With assistance, stand the pole up and slowly lower the counterweight into the pole until all slack is taken out of the cable. With assistance, lift the pole and insert it into the base. Align the holes on both the platform and the pole and attach using the supplied bolt. Tighten using a 15/16 inch combination wrench. Locate and tighten the 2 set screws on the platform side of the base. Tighten with a 1/4 inch hex wrench. Ensure smooth operation of the horizontal rail assembly and proper counterweight operation. Place the left and right sides of the platform over the assembled base, securing to the main tubes using the pre-positioned Velcro strips. Locate and attach skirting cover plates by aligning the attached magnets. If using the platform without the chair, locate and insert the cover plate into the remaining slot. The plate will snap into place using attached magnets. To use the IsoTrack system with the optional chair, locate and verify the following parts. 2 extruded aluminum chair rails, 4 threaded T-nuts with 8 hex head bolts, 1 rear chair rail support leg with 4 hex bolts and washers, 1 chair rail end cap with 4 hex bolts and washers. Insert the 4 T-nuts into the pre-drilled locations on the platform base by first inserting a bolt and aligning the T-nut with the bolt, then threading the bolt through the T-nut. Do not tighten the bolts at this time. Loosen the 2 locking levers on the chair post by turning the spacers until the rectangular washer has approximately 1/4 inch of space from the nylon washer. Slide the chair rail onto the chair post, ensuring that the black alignment spacers slide into the top and bottom channels, and that the rectangular spacer is seated in the top channel and the nylon washer is above the rail and not inside the channel. Check to ensure rail moves smoothly. Repeat the procedure for the second chair rail. Next, align the chair rail and post assembly with the platform base so that the upper outside channels on the rails align with the T-nuts on the platform. Slide the rails through along both sets of T-nuts. Align the rails approximately flush with each other. Secure the chair rail end cap to both rails using supplied bolts until finger tight, then move the chair post near the end cap. Attach the chair rail support leg to the chair rails using the supplied bolts. Ensure the end cap and support leg are sitting approximately square to the chair rails and move the chair post toward the front of the platform. Tighten the end cap bolts in a crisscross configuration. Tighten the bolts on all 4 T-nuts. Slide the chair post to the rear of the chair rails. Tighten the support leg bolts in a crisscross configuration. After all bolts have been tightened, ensure that the chair post moves smoothly along the entire length of the chair rails. Turn the locking levers to their furthest unlocked position, then lift the lever while tightening the screw with a flat blade screwdriver until screw is hand tight. The lever can be lifted and repositioned on the locking screw so that the locked position is flush against the post and unobtrusive during testing. Repeat process for the other locking lever. Slide the chair assembly down onto the chair post until the black nylon ring is flush with the top of the chair post. Coat the metal post and socket with lithium grease first for smoother operation and reduced wear during testing. Orient the mounting hole on the seat cushion toward the front of the chair, then place the cushion on the base plate so that all 4 locking tabs are fully inserted. Pull the locking pin downward while you push the cushion backward, then release the locking pin. Replace each side of the platform over the assembled base, securing to the platform base using the pre-positioned adhesive strips. Ensure a snug fit against the center of the base by pressing inward from the side. When moving the chair, orient the chair to face the direction of movement, grab the underside of the seat and pull toward you while lifting slightly. This will ensure that the chair slides smoothly without binding on the rails. You're now ready to use your new Tracker Freedom IsoTrack Pro.